Hey everyone! Welcome back to English Dialogue Box. In today's video, we're diving into a heartfelt and hilarious late-night chat between two hostel roommates who are dealing with homesickness, missing mom's food, emotional breakdowns, and a little midnight comedy. You'll hear natural English phrases, everyday expressions, and the kind of conversations students actually have at night when the emotions kick in and the mess food hits harder than reality. So get ready to laugh, maybe relate a little too much, and learn smooth, simple, daily life English in the most entertaining way. Let's jump into the dialogue, because hostel life means crying together, laughing together, and surviving on Maggie together. Star, yellow.
Sighs dramatically. Zara, are you awake? Unfortunately, yes. Somebody has been sighing for the last 10 minutes like a broken flute. What's wrong? I miss home. Aww. Come here. Emotional damage alert. What happened now? Everything. I miss my mom's food, my annoying siblings, even the noise of my dad watching cricket at full volume. This hostile silence hits harder at night. Silence? Girl, the girl in room 12 just sneezed like a jet engine. Even God woke up. Okay, fine, but still, today's mess food was the final heartbreak. Who makes aloo curry without aloo? That wasn't aloo. I genuinely thought I was eating boiled erasers. Exactly! At home, food has love. Here, food has survival energy. Survival is a strong word. The mess food is more like a personality test. What test? How mentally stable are you after eating this? If you survive it, you're ready for adulthood. Oh, Zara, stop. But seriously, I miss my mom's parathas, her chai, her nagging, everything. It's okay, homesickness is normal. Even I cry sometimes at night. Really? You? But you always look so chill and happy. Because I do all my crying between 2 to 2:07 a.m. Very efficient. You idiot. But listen, we're in this together, okay? We'll complain about food together, cry together, laugh like crazy together, and one day we'll graduate together. You're literally my emotional support human. I know. I should start charging for it. Maybe 10 rupees per hug? That's expensive. Emotional services aren't cheap, ma'am. Smiles softly. Thanks. I feel better now. Anytime. But hey, tomorrow we can make Maggie at midnight. That'll fix your home food cravings temporarily. Maggie therapy always works. Also, don't forget your mom sent you pickle last week. OMG, yes! I totally forgot. Good, because I remembered, and now I want some. Of course you do. You're here for the pickle, not my feelings. I am multitasking. Emotional support plus pickle craving. You're stupid, but the good kind. And you're sad, but the cute kind.
Zara, thanks for being here.
Always, bro. Now sleep before more emotions leak out.
Okay. But tomorrow night, Maggie party.
Obviously. That's the only thing keeping us alive in this hostel. Good night, idiot. Good night, homesick potato.